topic, and my topic is fuzzy logic in instrumentation. Before going to my topic, I want to say that what is fuzzy? What is the meaning of fuzzy? And fuzzy means that are not clear or vague. And day-to-day life, or sometimes we say that picture is not clear, voice is not clear. That means picture is fuzzy or voice is fuzzy, which is not clear. Sometimes we cannot decide in real life that given problem or statement is either true or false, and at that time this concept provides many values between the true and false and gives the flexibility to find the best solution to that problems. Because in day-to-day life we are using very linguistic variables, just like hot, cold, tall, short. These are the linguistic variables, and that in Boolean logic we used only yes or no, but in fuzzy logic we using some things in between yes or no, in which we cannot say that what is true or what is false. There is a probability, or that is a uncertainty, or that is a degree of truthness, which is correct or which is not correct, and what is the degree of correctness, that can define by only fuzzy logic. Just like probability theory, in fuzzy logic we can define or determine the degree of truthness. In Boolean logic, if someone asked, is it hot water? So according to Boolean logic or traditional logic, we can say that yes or no, or true or false, or 1 or 0. We know in Boolean logic we can represent in 1 or 0. If the water is hot, then we can say that yes, or water is cold, then we can say that no. We have no other options in between yes or no. But in fuzzy logic, if someone asks you, is it hot water? Some people will say that it is very much hot. Some people say that it is little hot, and some people say that very less hot. But what is the very much hot? That means water is hot, but this is the degree. 0.9 is the degree of water. That means degree of hotness is 0.9. And in this case, little, that means degree of truthness. Degree of truthness means degree of hot water is 0.5, and that is very less, that is 0.1. That means it is hot, but that is degree of truthness is very, very less. So we can say that water is very less hot. Then again, another example, this is the traditional representation of fuzzy logic, traditional representation of logic, that is Boolean logic. That is, this animal is slow and this is fast. In Boolean logic, we only can say that speed is 0 or speed is 1. Boolean speed, and this is the program. If speed is equal to 0, if the speed is equal to 0, then we can say that this animal is slow. But speed or else, speed is fast. That is 0 or 1. That means this is the in Boolean logic we can only say that 0 or 1, slow or fast. But in fuzzy logic there are many answers. There are 4 animals. We can see the degree. That is 0.1 and 0.25. This is the degree of truthness. That means this is slowest, but its speed is, or degree of speed is 0.25. These are the degree, and the degree is in between. In fuzzy logic, the degree is in between 0 to 1. That means 0.1 to 0.999 and 9.999, etc. These types of answer can come under the fuzzy logic, and these are the membership function I already told. Again we can see the program. If this is the slowest, this one is slow, this is fast, and this is fastest, how we can determine and how we can say that this is slow, and this is slowest, this is slow and fast or fastest? That is in the under the fuzzy used for helping the minimization of logic created by human. It is the best method for finding the solution of those problems which are suitable for approximate or uncertain reasoning. It always offers two values which denote the two possible solutions for a problem and statements. It allows user to build a creator function and non-linear of arbitrary complexity. If someone asked, will you go to market with me today? Then some people can say yes, absolutely yes, and some people say absolutely no, and some people say maybe, and some people can say may or may not be. These are the answers. If someone says absolutely yes, that means his or her members, that case, the going to market, the degree of going to market is 1. And if someone says 0, that means someone says absolutely not, that means membership value is 0. Only in this case, fuzzy logic, we determine the degree of truthness. This is the architecture of fuzzy logic. Generally, its architectures, the fuzzy architecture contains 4 parts. One is rule-based, fuzzification module, inference engine, and fuzzification module. Rule-based. What do we give the rule or we make the rule in the fuzzy controller? Rule-based is a component used for storing the set of rules and if the condition is given by the experts are used for the controlling the decision making system. Already in my previous slide I have shown the program in which speed of the animal or degree of the speed is 0.25 to 0.5, that means the animal is first. That is the rule, and we are given the rule to the fuzzy logic or fuzzy logic controller. There are so many updates that come in the fuzzy theory recently, which offers effective method for designing and tuning the fuzzy controller. Generally, previously we are using PID controller, but PID controller there is no option for self-tuning. But in fuzzy controller, there are many options to tuning by itself. Fuzzy controller tuning itself, so no need to tuning by the user. So that are the one of the most important characteristics of a fuzzy controller. Then fuzzification. What is the fuzzification? In fuzzification is a module or component for transferring the system input, and that is it converts the crispy number into fuzzy steps. Crispy numbers into fuzzy steps. Crispy means traditional logic. Crispy set means traditional set, that is 0 or 1. Will you go to market? If someone say yes, that is 0. So that is 1, and someone says no, that is 0. That is the crispy answer. Someone says only in yes or no, 0 or 1, or truth or false. But there is the some other answer in between the 0 and 1 or yes or no, that are the fuzzy answers. Then we have to determine the degree of truthness. The component fuzzy components is divides in the input signal into following 5 steps. That is large positive, medium positive, small positive, medium positive, medium negative, and large negative, small negative. We can define it. These are the level of fuzzification. We can use different level, 3 level, 5 level, 7 level. We can use according to our use. Then inference engine. This component is the main component of in any fuzzy logic system, that is FLS. Fuzzy logic system, because all the information is processed in the inference engine. It allows user to find the matching degree in between the current fuzzy input and other rules. After the matching degree, this system determines which rule is to added according to the given input field. When other rules are fired, then they are combined for developing control actions. Defuzzification. This is the opposite operation of fuzzification. In fuzzification, we convert the crispy logic into fuzzy logic. But in defuzzification, logic is again converted to crispy logic where we can get the actual output. The defuzzification is a module or component which takes the fuzzy set. Here input is fuzzy set, output is crispy set or crispy value. Input generated by the inference engine and then transfer them into a crispy value. Crispy value means actual value and what we need for the problem. It is the last step in the process of fuzzy logic system. The crispy value is a type of value which is acceptable by the user. And the various techniques are present to do this, but the user has to select the best one for reducing the error. There are various techniques, but user has to select the best one for reducing the errors. Then membership function. What is membership function? It is the already I said that what is membership function, what is the degree of membership function. But membership function is a function which represents the graph of fuzzy set and that allows the user to quantify the linguistic term. That means I already said linguistic term means that is maybe hot, cold, slow, fast, that are using in day-to-day life. We are using hot, cold, slow, fast, he is slow and she is honest, she is not dishonest. These types of term are used as linguistic variable. And that is the truthness of linguistic variable can be determined by the fuzzy logic. One of the important thing I forgot to say that who is known as father of fuzzy logic. Lopezade is known as father of fuzzy logic who was introduced the first paper of fuzzy logic. In this function of x, each element of set b is mapped to other value in between 0 to 1 already told it. Then fuzzy logic in control system. Fuzzy logic provides more efficient and resourceful way to solve control system. In control system, instead of normal controller or PID controller, if you use the fuzzy controller, then user interface will decreases. First, we take an example of temperature controller. Temperature controller. Change the speed of the heater fan based of the room temperature. The problem is change the speed of heater fan based of the room temperature and humidity. Then temperature control system are 4 settings, that is cold, cool, warm and hot. Humidity can be defined by low, medium and high. And using this we can define the fuzzy set. These are the problem is change the speed of heater fan based of the room temperature and humidity. Okay, these are the temperature control. These are the 4 settings, that is cold, cool, warm, hot. These are the linguistic variable. Low, medium, high. These are the defined for humidity. These are the humidity and these are the linguistic variable for temperature. If someone say it is very cold, that doesn't mean we can understand what is the meaning of cold. Maybe for him or her that is cold, but for us maybe that is cool. So we can define a rule or we can use a rule that's why we can say that what is the degree of cold or what is the degree of cool and what is the degree of warm and degree of hot. The low. If humidity then humidity when the room temperature is warm but our desired temperature is cool. If this is the rule, if the room temperature is cool but our desired temperature or desired system should be cold. So we have to cool the processor or with the controller actuating signal to the fuzzy controller to cool or more cool. If is the hand speed. If we need medium, then we have to change this one. If we change this one, then humidity or temperature will change. Again, we are discussing about the benefits of using fuzzy logic. In previously, first solving a problem, we have to understand the physical system and control requirements. Physical system and control requirements, then develop a linear model of plant sensor and actuators, then determine a simplified controller from control theory, and then develop an algorithm for the control, and then simulate, debug and implement design. These are the basically 5 processes are there for the normal system. But when you use fuzzy logic, understand the physical system and control requirements, then design the control for using fuzzy rules, then simulate, debug and implement design. So these are the benefits of a fuzzy system. We don't need to develop a linear model or determine the simplified controller from control theory. No control theories are used, and again there is no need of algorithm for the controller. You use only fuzzy rules or inference engine. Then we have to simulate, debug and implement the design. So this is the easiest method in control system. Then conclusion, fuzzy logic provides an alternative way to represent linguistic and subjective attributes of the real world in computing. It is able to be applied to control system and other applications in order to improve the efficiency and simplicity of the design process. Just like anti-braking system and our air conditioner, we can use the fuzzy controller. There are some MCQ questions according to my slides. I think these are important questions for this chapter. What is the form of fuzzy logic? What is the form of fuzzy logic? There are 4 options: true value, crispy set logic, many value logic, binary set logic. And answer is many value logic, because in the fuzzy logic we have many value, that is in between 0 and 1. That is many valued logic. Then truth value of traditional set theory is dash, and that of fuzzy set is dash. We know that in traditional set theory or in Boolean set theory, that is 0 or 1, or in fuzzy set, that is in between 0 to 1, already 0 to 1. So option will be either 0 or 1 in traditional set theory, either 0 or 1. But fuzzy set is in between 0 and 1. So first option is correct. Then dash is or are the ways to represent uncertainty. That is fuzzy logic, probability and entropy. The answer is probability, entropy, fuzzy logic. Both are represent the uncertainty. Traditional set theory is also known as a crispy set. Crispy set theory, that is yes, that is true or false. There are 2 options, that is true or false, and the answer is true. Yes, traditional theory can be known as crispy set theory or Boolean set theory. Next, the room temperature is hot. Here, hot use of the linguistic variable used can be represented by crispy set, fuzzy and crispy set, none of them answer. The answer is fuzzy set. Room temperature is hot. Hot means that is not clear how much hot. So we have to use fuzzy set. Then fuzzy logic is extension of crispy set with an extension of handling the concept of partial truth. Yes, fuzzy logic is an extension of crispy set, because in crispy set you use only 0, 1 to 1. And extension is in between 0 and 1. That is the concept of partial truth. Yes, that answer is true.